we're at a bit of a car jam. This is typical Norwegian. Goats on the highway. Yep, main highway, and we're stuck in goats.
Both ways.
Both ways. And they're just running in between the cars. This is typical Norway. A bit of Norwegian culture.
Good news, they finally decided to get off the road, so traffic is flowing again. Making
Bulle, which is like a dessert bun. Normally you can make like
sweet bun.
Yeah, sweet bun. You can make like skullbulle out of it, which is like custard, vanilla sauce sort of bun, but we're just making the plain buns, and we've put sultanas and cinnamon. We put them on the barbecue to hopefully make some delicious stuff.
Now his first round is finished, and not bad, Lockie G. What are you doing?
We're off to Oslo today on the train to explore the city.
We have just arrived in Oslo. It is 9:30 on a Sunday morning and it is pretty quiet. What have you got there?
It's been a long time since I've had a bacon and egg roll.
McMuffin.
And we couldn't,
So you treated yourself?
Resist.
You couldn't resist, not we.
Same thing, you and I won.
Big day. Really in the city now.
Yep, city life. You're right.
Wow.
Yum.
This is the opera house. You can actually walk on top of it, get a good view. What's a day in the city without some treats, hey Lockie?
Exactly, that's why we're coming here.
Treat yourself. Back home we go.
Back home we go.
Back to Tame. So we are finally back out on the road today after about a month of trying to sort out paperwork and things. And so we have come to Jotunheim National Park to do some hiking, and it is definitely got some autumn or fall vibes happening. All the leaves are starting to change colour, and it is definitely gotten colder. I think today is sitting on around 6 degrees, so it's pretty fresh. This afternoon we've had some lunch and we are off hiking to Besseggen, something like that, one of the beautiful lakes up in the mountains. As you can see, we're in full-on winter gear. It is freezing. tomorrow we hope to do a hike and it's called Besseggen, and it takes you by ferry all the way up the end somewhere, and you basically walk the way back along the ridgeline and you get a beautiful view of the lake here and then the Besseggen lake that we saw earlier. So should be good, it looks beautiful. This morning we are off hiking Besseggen. We're just waiting for the shuttle bus from the car park. It's really foggy this morning, so hopefully it's really quick and clear. So we have just gotten off the ferry to start the hike. Ready?
Ready.
Gotten to like the top of the ridge, the big climb, and the fog has just rolled in really thick, so hopefully it clears by the time we get to the really impressive viewpoint. It is so foggy up here, you can hardly see much, so we're just following the little marks on the rocks we're trying to.
What a view.
So we've gotten to halfway, where we think is the spectacular view where you can see both lakes on either side, but as you can see, it is just fog. My beanie, I think, is all icing up. So, yeah.
What a view. Crystal clear waters, wow.
Could have been an amazing view. After hours of just going through complete fog, we can see a little bit of light and we can actually see the lake that we were hoping to see from the top. So this is good. And we met Anna and Anna, who we've travelled with through the fog, so thank God. After about 5.5 hours of hiking, we're finally out of the fog and we're basically greeted with the same view that we got yesterday because we're coming back down. It was an experience though. Treat yourself?
Treat myself.
You earned it. So this morning we are off to see recount. And it's kind of like a waterfall-y, what is it?
It's a waterfall or a gorge, I'd say.
Gorge, yeah, that's it.